Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to know your Trust Wallet ID. If you'd like to look for your Trust Wallet ID so that you can send and receive cryptocurrencies, in this video I'm using my iPhone. It's pretty easy to know your Trust Wallet ID if you want to make transactions on it. So keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Open up your Trust Wallet application from your app drawer and make sure you're logged into your wallet. Once you're in, you'll be able to see the list of the cryptocurrencies that you can choose from in the first interface. This includes Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, and Smart Chain. You'll need to navigate to the cryptocurrency that you'd like to receive by simply tapping it on. For example, if you'd like to receive Bitcoin, then you'll need to tap on the Bitcoin option. If you'd like to receive Ethereum, BNB, or Smart Chain, select according to your choice. Now simply tap on receive and you'll be able to navigate to the cryptocurrency that you'd want to receive on Trust Wallet. To find its address, simply tap on the copy button at the bottom of the page and there you have found your Trust Wallet ID, just like that. If you'd like to share your address with your friends so that they can send you your Bitcoin or your Ethereum, tap on the share button and share it to one of your contacts. That is how you'll be able to find your ID on Trust Wallet. Whenever someone tries to send you cryptocurrencies, then they'll need to send it to you on your Trust Wallet ID. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.